Most men blame life when their system is the problem. Let me explain. Most men don't feel like they're failing. We usually feel like we're just worn down, meaning we're still going to be responsible. We're still going to provide for our family. We're still going to push through our every single day, but energy feels expensive now, meaning our patience runs out faster. Our motivation feels forced, so we do what we always do. We explain it away. Life's busy. Life is life. Kids and wife are exhausting. This is just adulthood. Man up. I know those explanations feel mature because I used to make them all the time. They're not. What you're doing is you're just dressing up avoidance and calling it responsibility. Because guess what? Life didn't just suddenly get harder. Something else deeper changed. Here's what most guys miss. Your body is a system. It's not a mindset, my guy. When stress is short term, your body can just push through that with no problems. But when stress is chronic, the body is going to do everything in its willpower to protect itself. Meaning you can have the same man, the same amount of effort, you just have a different operating mode. That's why whenever you rest, it doesn't reset you. Coffee becomes mandatory, meaning you got to have your coffee first thing in the morning. And usually whenever you push hard, that next day you feel it. Men think the answer is more discipline because that's something we can easily control, but discipline will never fix systems that are compensating already. This pattern shows up every single day in guys before we crash. None of us are weak. I know that's what we like to say. If you can't function, you're weak. This can happen in high functioning men. Men whose efforts stay high, but their output is still quietly dropping every single day. It's not a coincidence, my guy. That regulation shifting under pressure, that's your body just relocating energy away from performance towards survival. Your body's tired of pushing. I'm just going to keep it simple. It's not emotional. It's biological. This is where hormones come in. Not as a buzzword everybody likes to use, but hormones are a signal system. Hormones decide whether the body pushes or pulls back. When those signals stay noisy for too long, guess what? Your energy is going to drop on purpose. The part that most guys never hear is when regulation is restored. Guess what happened? Your energy doesn't just spike back up. It just stabilizes. Meaning you don't feel too hyped. You just feel available. You wake up ready instead of bracing yourself and taking in a lot of more caffeine than you need. It's not about motivation, my guy. The system is just working again. It's simple. I know it's very simple. And once a man understands why his body changes priorities, he stops blaming life. He stops blaming his kids, his wife, his job. He stops even blaming himself. Strong men never ignore signals. They learn how to read them. And if this reframed how you see your energy, that's all I ever wanted. Because once you stop fighting the wrong problem, you can walk toward the right path to get yourself feeling better. This channel exists to give men clarity, not hype, not hacks, just understanding what actually holds you back. Subscribe if this is what you're looking for. I'll see you guys in the next video, and let's get started in that next video. As always, I'm Chris with Man Health Channel. I'll see you guys over there. Let's get started.